Well, this is going to be a late morning cold start and ride from East Hampton back to Autosport Designs. Closed car, no microphone, so let's hope for the best, but I think this is going to be great, especially since this 458 Italia is awesome to begin with. Well, here we are, East Hampton cold start. The climate control and the AC go on because that is a must today, being that it's like 90 degrees. Buckle in and leave it in automatic actually. Excuse a little bit of the dust on the car. This 458 Italia will speak for itself. It's a wonderful color combination. Has numerous options. I'm not really sure you're going to be able to find another one pull up right next to you at a traffic light anytime soon. Let's see. Let's enjoy the warm-up period with the main on here for status. I always like to have the gauges on, the digital gauges, so that I can actually see what the temperatures are, just for the buck, because I am that era who wants to know, rather than just waiting for a red light to go on to say, uh-oh, that's bad. I run it in sport because I like the sound. I like using the paddles quite a bit because when you're on a stretch of road, you can also leave it higher gear so that you can just cruise without the transmission shifting, downshifting, and upshifting, and downshifting. And it comes down, obviously, into auto when you come to a stop. And you can start shifting up again. AC is nice and cold. This up. Well, little Led Zeppelin's going to cruise a little bit. Great sound, great power. I believe this is one of the last of the very cool Ferraris, normally aspirated, easy to maintain, no silly engine out services, lots of fun, very fast, comfortable. Everything at your fingertips. Signals on, off, signal on, off, and everything at your fingertips here. I actually enjoy the upshifts with the paddles, and then when it's an auto, allow it to just downshift at will, or actually shut it off and just drive it as a manual. Put it on race. We're not really racing, but the sound is open exhaust at all times. It is like a go-kart for sure. We're not even going fast, but it is fun. As fast as it is, it also has exceptional brakes, which is a given for Ferrari of this era. It has been long-term owned by a good client of ours, and just recently taken on trade towards another cool car from our inventory for his collection. It has got a remote radar detecting system with laser. Everything is working. Let's see, let's play this again. That's on mute now. I think if you want all the true specifications for the car and its history, it's easiest to just go onto our website, read the write-up. That's very nice of them. We're going to join over here. While we're sitting here in traffic, I think I should mention that this 458 had a $291,000 sticker price with $63,000 in factory options. It is a wonderful combination of Pozzi blue over blue leather with Argento silver roof. Pretty nice throughout, if I do say so myself. Yep, a little more traffic. I think we're going to get onto the open road. We'll go through the gears get on it a little bit and show its might, and then say thank you very much, because there's nothing much more we can say about this 458. So I will be back to you as soon as the road opens up and we can get on it a little bit. Yeah, this needs an Italian horn. That's not an Italian horn. That's a truck horn. Giuseppe, what's this? We need a little flavor. A little Fiam horn. Okay, we'll discuss that with the next custodian of this lovely 458. When I get back to Autosport, I am going to hand off this 458 to Antoine and Matteo to go do a few flybys so you can hear it from the outside. And I'm sure you will like that. This 458 does have lift, does have contrasting stitch. Well, I can say we're definitely not in Europe because we don't have any road rules. Move over. You know, in America we have all these signs that say slower traffic, keep right. Apparently, the problem is in America, we don't have people who know how to read. Look at this. I can't go fast past you because it would be wrong. Give your license back. We'll give it a visceral push up here on the throttle before we sign off. Fourth gear. Yes, it's safe to say it is extremely fast with excellent brakes. Not sure, this is not the Autobahn, this is not the Autostrada, this is Long Island, New York, and yet another person of their Honda sitting in the left lane. All I would like it to do is move over. She's a happy. That was very nice of that gentleman. Now I think we can properly sign off and say it has been wonderful to road test. Oh, look at this. It's another American decided to move over. Thank you. Wow. All of a sudden, what a change of pace. Well, I want to thank everyone for watching. Make certain I am driving one of the finest 458 Italias we've had in an exceptional color combination, a host of options. I appreciate you all watching, and I will see you on the next one yet again. See ya.